Assalamu alaikum, Hussein Baba here. Today, I'm at the Gold Coast Masjid. Why? Because we're going to cook something very special. You know what it is? Butter chicken. Everybody loves butter chicken. So today, we're going to cook butter chicken for 100 international students in Gold Coast, right? But I will not be cooking on my own. I have somebody to assist me. We work together. Okay, I'll come back to you after this short message. Again, the person who I'll be cooking together with today, this morning, is Haji Habib Jamal. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, by the way, for those who don't know, Habib Jamal he's the treasurer at the Gold Coast Masjid. Yeah. Not only that, one more top title, he's the president of ICQ, which is Islamic Council of Queensland. It's been there for the last 1.5 years now? Yeah. Yeah, time flow, you know. So inshallah, together we'll be cooking butter chicken for over 100 international students in the Gold Coast. Okay, Haji, shall we start?
Inshallah,
okay.
we're ready to go.
Did you have a cup of tea or coffee?
I enjoyed that cup of tea. That was
he
genuine. Ginger tea.
He loved the Malaysian ginger tea, man. I know he liked it. Yes. So now he said 9 o'clock in the morning, so he needs something to pop. Step by step, stuff are going on. Haji, what have you put in the pot first? I can see there is butter.
Just a little bit of oil.
Oil.
Butter. Some cinnamon sticks.
Yes.
Bay leaves and curry leaves.
Okay, so now you're going to onions. Okay, we're going to put onions now. Okay, let me.
The more onion we put, the more sauce we can get.
Okay. All right. Remember that. The more onions, the more sauce. Okay. Here. Okay, Haji. All right. Look at that. Come here, cameraman. Have a look. Have a look. Look. Okay. Start stirring. The butter is melting. Look. Look. So remember, the more onion, better. Get more sauce. Okay. It's not only the cream or the butter. Okay.
So we wait. We cook until the onion is translucent.
You're right.
It's nice.
Right.
And then we put the other stuff.
Okay. Got the point? Let's be translucent. That means you have to cook a bit.
A nice smooth texture.
Right.
Because we're cooking in bulk and we don't have the equipment.
Right.
So we just make do, but it turns out good, inshallah.
Inshallah. Well, he's been cooking for the last 20 years anyway. There was something you must have learned. All right. So we'll do that. And the next step is we'll start to cook the rice. All right. And then, of course, this is not just the beginning of cooking the butter chicken. There's more to it. As you know, Haji said you will have to fry the chicken before he mix it with the other ingredient. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. All right. We keep on stirring here. Look, stirring. Look at that. Look. Okay. Leave it like this, and then now we're going to fry the chicken. So the pot is getting warmer now. So we'll add some oil. Okay.
Put all that in.
Okay. So let the oil get warm, all right, and then we'll so these are the chicken Haji already marinated with these special spices, you know. So these are the ones. What will happen is this will be fried in this water. Now what? And Haji is now still making the sauce.
Just put a little extra chicken here. Some extra onion.
Onion, huh?
Yeah.
The more the onion, the more the sauce.
I think the sauce is needed.
Yeah. We have, you see, the student need to eat a lot because there are 100 students. So we have to make a lot. Okay. Alright, here we go. Let it fry. Okay. Now we're cooking the rice. So we are cooking for over 100 students. So we need to cook a lot of rice. So today I have two rice cookers, okay, and they're ready to cook. So this rice and the butter chicken will go together to very well. All right. So cameraman, you can see that we're going to cook the rice now, and there's another pot. Yeah. So let it is. So we'll start to cook. So what we're going to do, we're just going to cover it up, and then turn the switch. That's it. Okay, Haji, what's happening now, Haji?
Just onions is almost there.
So
So after that we'll put some,
cameraman, show the onion. Cameraman, please.
put some ginger and garlic.
Okay.
But
Okay, let me try this one.
get the aroma.
Oh, look at that aroma. Very strong, Haji. Very strong. You put some bay leaf too, eh?
Yes.
Oh, good. Okay. Man, it's really good. Cameraman, can you smell too? Yeah, that's right. Okay, now let's see what Haji is doing. Haji, what's happening?
Okay, I added some of the spice.
Uh-huh.
That we have to be careful that it doesn't
Right,
add.
right.
And then we added tomato paste.
Oh, the tomato paste.
That's a tomato
okay,
paste.
tomato paste.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
One,
So that
one,
gives- that
one
gives
full
you the
can.
colour.
So let's see. That's about 3 kilo can of tomato paste because we are cooking for over 100 international students.
Yeah.
So that's how it is. You want me to hold it for you? Okay.
Okay.
That's good. Okay, good. All right. Finish up. And what we see here? Oh, the chicken being fried, still fried. Okay. What's happening next?
Now we're putting the cream. This
Oh, the
is
cream.
almost
Oh,
the
look
final,
at that. Look
final,
at.
final touches now.
Wow, look beautiful. So Haji, you use what? Fresh cream?
Fresh cream.
Always have to be fresh cream,
Or
right?
you can use cooking cream.
Cooking cream, okay. All right. But look at that. So the taste comes from the onions and the cream,
And the tomato.
tomato paste. That's what makes it the delicious.
And then some of the spices, but that's like asking for my banking account password. So-
That's a secret. That's what.
whatever's available, put it in the pot, so it'll sort itself
All
out.
right. Yeah.
If you're hungry, you'll eat it.
I'm going to say what it is, but there's special spices. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Now see stirring. Now look at that. Stirring. All right. Now let's check the rice. How the checks are going. Oh, mashallah. Look at that rice. Look at it. Oh, don't be too close. That's really good. Ah. Mashallah. Look, a beautiful rice. Okay. Now let's go and see what's happening with Haji. Let's go see. Haji, what's happening, Haji?
We
Oh,
almost
frying.
done now. Just
Almost frying?
yeah, we had a bit of a problem with the burner, so
Yeah.
got a bit delayed. But
Okay. Okay, you're getting. Who's here? Seema. What are you doing here?
how are you?
Just came to help.
You know Haji, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
been there before.
Seema is the one who looks after the Indian community, right? And then she ran for the Broad Beach Council. And then next time she'll do better. All right?
Broad
Okay.
Beach or Main Beach?
Broad Beach. Yeah,
Okay.
the whole division.
So we are doing the butter chicken and then being fried. All right, there we go. Yes. All right. We have a special guest. Came all of a sudden, but not very planned. Okay, the special guest. Haji, would you like to introduce who the special guest is? This Dai.
Diana Growing.
Yeah.
And she represents
Support the girls.
Support the girl. So Dai support the girls, and this morning she came over, to donate stuff to the students. So there were quite a number of students, and as you know, we mentioned earlier in the video that they need your support because they're running out of stuff, especially during this period of crisis. There's been a huge demand, and people really need it. So they need your support. The more you give to them, the more they can donate to others. What's the purpose of she
What am I
stirring it?
doing? What am I doing?
you on record. It's video.
Okay.
If anything is wrong with this,
It's not my fault.
it's not me. You've got the spoon.
Oh my gosh!
He's tricky.
The spoon. There's proof.
Okay, alright, I'm sorry.
I'm going now.
I will put my magic over it. So,
Who's coming now? Who's coming now? Please smell the food. Haji, how are you? Okay, this is the gentleman, month of Ramadan. Each and every day, they produce 500 meals. Is that correct?
That's correct.
That's correct. Louder, please, sir.
That's correct.
Yeah.
Only because of my dear friends here that allowed me to do this. I am a bit crazy, but alhamdulillah, God willing,
Yeah.
we served 14,000 meals this year.
That's right. 14,000 meals. Each day, more than 500 meals for 30 days continuously. We had driving, of course, you can see from the videos. Yeah. And we're getting there. We're getting there. And have you met Dai?
Joy, no.
Now, Dai is from the Support the Girls group.
Oh, yes, I saw
So
the
they're the
video.
people who
Yeah.
support with the toiletries and
I don't know how he does it every day.
I know.
Every week.
thank God, mashallah, like Haji said,
It's just
alhamdulillah,
brilliant,
mashallah,
yeah.
yes. So I'm here to it, and now we are cooking today for 100 students.
Right.
Yeah, so that's why I asked Haji Jamal to come and give us a hand.
And apparently, if anything goes wrong, it's my fault.
Who's holding this book? There's an old saying. Join the club.
Haji, you're trying it, right? What's the taste like?
It's good.
It's a,
Yum, yum, yum.
Better than Kentucky Fried Chicken.
How about Dai? How is it?
Oh, it's beautiful. I
Beautiful.
like it. Really spicy.
All right.
It's lovely.
Oh, good. We tried it.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Now here, Haji, what is the next step?
Well,
You have
now
already
Now we're putting the sauce and the cooked chicken
cooked
together.
chicken, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Mixing it up, huh?
Yeah.
All right. So as you know,
That will be
this
the
chicken
final.
were marinated and they were fried. Okay. Now after frying, what happened is now Haji is moving them to the sauce. Look at that. Right? Cameraman, can you smell the aroma? Mmm. Very strong, I'm telling you. Most of you guys have seen it out. Oh. No. Smells good. Okay. Now all done. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Look at that. This is the work of Haji Habib Jamal, who's next to me. All right. Haji, thank you so much for taking up your weekend. It's Saturday morning, so whole morning went to cook. Beautiful. I tasted it. Haji Hassan Ghosh tasted it, and Dai from Support the Girls tasted it. All taste good. All right. Right?
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
Thank you for the opportunity. Another chance to do some work for the community
Right.
and to help most of the students.
That's
I think
right.
are going to hope they enjoy it.
Yes.
And inshallah, we look forward to doing it again.
You see, you get a big reward, you see, Haji, because you know why? We are cooking this for 100 international students who are stranded in the Gold Coast.
Yeah.
And they have no income, they depend on private donations. So this is one way we support them. And then if anybody wishes to support, please contact us and see how we can arrange, right? Once again, Haji, thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Thank you so much. And then enjoy the food. All right? Okay,
Thank you very much.
So we're going to pack them. We're going to pack them into boxes, and then we'll be ready and will be distributed to the students. So we have people coming to drive around because most of these students have no vehicle. So we have to drive around and distribute from all the way from Southport to Surfers Paradise to Tweed Heads. So it takes a while, but we have people like Tia who will be supporting us and Kareem who will be doing all this work for us. Okay, now it's the packing time. So what we're going to do, let's go a bit of rice here. Right, and then put the rice here, and then a bit of curry here. So that's how. So there you have it. So there you have it, the rice and the curry, and then we put this right. So we keep on packing it. Okay.